The world is changing faster and faster. We all feel it, we all know it. There's not much we can do. It's hard to imagine how life might be like in just a few years, 5 years, 10 years. There's this kind of compounding acceleration, this virtuous cycle, this snowball effect of one technology building on another. The excitement is building not just with us, not just with you and me, but in the business community, in the governments. The possibilities we see are expanding across all horizons. And when you know that the world is about to change, there's just something that changes in you. We feel it and we see it, and there's almost this rekindling of hope that we see in the world. It's something that was recently given a name called Vesperance. Vesperance. It means that wistful kind of nostalgic hope that you feel in the evening when you're hoping for a new tomorrow. It's that sense of ending, and we are living through one of the greatest endings that humanity has ever experienced. This is the dawn of a new era for all of humanity, and it is a remarkable privilege to be part of it with all of you. There is no more exciting time to be alive than right now in all of human history. That's what it means to be living through the fourth industrial revolution. It's not just a matter of industry and productivity. We are going to change the way that we relate to ourselves, to each other, to the very nature of existence. We will redefine what it means to be alive and what it means to be human. I am so excited to be here, and this is why I work so hard to share everything that I can do with all of you. It's time to roll up our sleeves and get our hands dirty and do the best that we can. I don't know about you, but I am so excited to see what tomorrow brings. On a weekly basis, we see game-changing technologies and scientific breakthroughs, and they're just coming faster and faster and faster. I don't know what life will be like even this time next year, but I'm really looking forward to seeing it. So thank you for coming on this ride with us. It's going to be bumpy at times, but it will always be exciting, and we will not be the same when we come out on the other side. Take care.